Okay, so firstly I'm going to show you the file. Facedetect.py, double click on that. So this is basically the code. I'm going to shut this down, open up my terminal, and I'm going to type the the Python code, the Unix command, sudo python facedetect.py, enter. It's running. It's now going to launch the camera. Okay, got it. So now I'm going to put my face in front of the camera. There you go. It's now detecting my face. Now the face.xml is for full frontal face. That's the XML file that you use to train simple CV on what to detect. So I'm going to post the link in this article /post where you can get more details about how cascades and how face.xml is actually being generated. Thank you.